Hello guys, we're filming here.
You're filming again? All right. Hey everybody. Reggie Jones here at Century 21 Legacy here in Greeneville. We're at a new construction build out here at 533 Possum Creek Road. And I want to introduce my assistant again.
Hi.
This is Avery. Being a little bashful today. But I want you all just to check out this magnificent view out here of the mountains. Just go ahead and check that out. And then we'll go in and check out this brand new house. Welcome to 533 Possum Creek Road. As you can tell, this is a brand new construction, open floor plan. It has a laminate waterproof flooring, oak cabinets, stainless steel appliances, kitchen island. And as you can tell with our gloves that we're wearing today, we're doing everything we can to take precautions in order to stop the spread of COVID-19. So every time we come out and show a house, we're wiping down all the doorknobs, door handles with our Clorox, spraying everything with Lysol, and of course we've got our Germ-X, and we are using our rubber gloves as well. Now this is the entrance to the two-car garage. The basement downstairs, it does have a complete finished ceiling down there. So if you wanted to finish off the ceiling or finish off a room downstairs, it'd be very easy to do. And I'd like for her to turn around and show you the outside view right here real quick of the deck. Go ahead and show them that. Nice little country view. So you got the first bathroom. It's a tub shower combination. First bedroom. Then you've got the second bedroom. And then this is your master suite. And the master suite does have a walk-in closet. Get a view of that. And then there's your master bathroom. Again, it has your tub shower combination. So again, if you can imagine coming home and spending your evenings sitting here on the porch, watching the mountain views, this is the place for you. This is Reggie Jones, Century 21 Legacy. Number is 423-470-3131. The office number is 423-639-6781. And we are signing out.